Putin races to build killer robot army as Kremlin eyes world domination. Vladimir Putin is set to create an army of killer robots, despite plans to ban the lethal weapons, according to officials. Russia took a hard line on the United Nations proposed ban of lethal autonomous weapon systems, LAWS, revealing it would build the murderous bots no matter what. The ban aims to prevent any advanced AI program from killing civilians and human troops on the battlefield. But top Russian officials said a full ban would stop tech companies from developing civilian AI systems that could benefit millions. A government spokesman said, according to the Russia Federation, the lack of working samples of such weapons systems remains the main problem in the discussion on laws. Certainly, there are precedents of reaching international agreements that establish a preventative ban on prospective types of weapons. He added, however, this can hardly be considered as an argument for taking preventative, prohibitive or restrictive measures against laws being a by far more complex and wide class of weapons of which the current understanding of humankind is rather approximate. The move has led the US and other Western powers to accuse Russia of preparing to violate the future deal and use killer bots against their own soldiers. They point to the superpowers' previous violation of the Nuclear Weapons Treaty, which forced the U.S. to develop a new ground-launched cruise missile. Meanwhile, UK officials warned that swaths of killer robots could be used to launch a deadly attack against its citizens. AI boff Noel Sharkey made the chilling prediction that terrorists could use murderous drones to carry out devastating atrocities across Britain. The spokesman for Stop Killer Robots campaign then warned the consequences of deadly tech winding up in the wrong hands would lead to catastrophic consequences. He said, authoritarian dictators getting a hold of these, who won't be held back by their soldiers not wanting to kill the population,